This in the storm, let's go to Dave Barnes. David?
Bill, this storm has continued to intensify slowly, and highest winds are now about 85 miles per hour. It's off the coast of Florida, about 100 miles east of Palm Beach, and continuing toward the west-northwest at about 14 miles per hour. Now, I have a lot more details on the storm later on in the show, but first, let's go have a chat with our tropical meteorological consultant, Nash Roberts. Nash?
Thank you, Dave. This is the way it looks to me. At 5 p.m., I have a position of 26.6 north, 78.5 west, 140 miles east-southeast of Vero Beach, Florida, moving west-northwest at 14. The max winds are 85. Right now, it's right over, just about this time, it's right over High Rock on Grand Bahama. Let's go over here and look at it. This is Grand Bahama Island right here. You can see it under the storm. This is the present position of the hurricane. It is moving towards the west-northwest at about 14 miles an hour. I expect it to hit the coastline of Florida between 2 a.m. and 6 a.m. tomorrow. In other words, tomorrow morning, 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. and then move across Florida and come back into the Gulf between Tampa and Cross City, Florida, which is about up in here. And I would think that that would be between 3 p.m. and 7 p.m. tomorrow. Now, then it's in the Gulf. It's very important to us, the higher that this system hits the Gulf, in other words, if we could hit it up here, there would be very little water for it to travel over and regain its strength on the warm Gulf waters if we could have it just cutting across the corner like this. The further down that it comes, the more chance there is for it to regain its strength and threaten our area over here. Presently, I think it's going to come into the Gulf, as I told you, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. north of Tampa, cross this little stretch of water, and strike the coastline somewhere near Panama City Thursday morning. Now, that could be changed. A few degrees change in course either way can make all the difference in the world. So that is very, very critical to us, the path that it takes, and therefore the danger to our general area. So that's the way it looks, and I'll be back at 6 with another update. Now back to Bill.
All right, thank you, Nash.